Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with a topic degrees of adjectives. Before starting the topic, first I will tell you thought of the day. Thought of the day is if you don't do something right, you can always try again tomorrow. Thought of the day is if you don't do something right, you can always try again tomorrow. This is the thought of the day. Now we are coming on our topic. Our topic is degrees of adjectives. First we have to understand what is an adjective. Remember, adjective is an describing words. Describing words. For example, if I am writing here, Ram is a good student, then good is describing about noun, that is Ram. So good is an adjective. Now the thing is that degrees of adjectives, we can also tell degrees of comparison. So there are three types of degrees of comparison. First one is positive degree, second one is comparative degree, and third one is superlative degree. It means that there are three types of degrees. First one is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. First we have to understand here what is positive degree. Positive degree means if in any sentence or the positive degree of an adjective is used when we do not make any comparison. Remember, I am repeating again, positive degree is used when we do not make any comparison. You can see here, this is the first example. Ram is a good student. Here we are not compared with any other. We are only describing the quality of one person. This is Ram. So this is positive degree. Second one is comparative degree. This is the second stage of comparison. Remember, comparative degree means this is the second stage of comparison. In this degree, we compare a quality or disquality of any one person, place, thing or animal to another person, place, thing or animal. We also use comparison word than in comparative degree. Remember, this is also known as ER form. Remember, what is comparative degree? When we compare between two person, place, thing or animal. For example, Ram is taller than Syam. Sentence is Ram is taller than Syam. We are comparing between two persons, Ram and Syam, and we are also using comparison word than, and this is also known as ER form. So this is comparative degree when we compare between two persons, place, thing or animal. Second thing is note point. In comparative degree, those words that end with IOR. IOR means senior, junior, superior, etc. In these words, in place of than, we use to. Remember, we do not use comparison word than. With these words, we always use to. For example is, if we talk about example of comparative degree, that is, he is senior to me. In this sentence, this is comparative degree, but we are not using comparison word than. In place of than, we are using to, and this word is ending with IOR. Now, last one is superlative degree. What is superlative degree? This is the highest stage of comparison. Remember, super duper. We can say super duper. Super means this is the highest stage of comparison. In this degree, we compare the quality of any one person, placing or animal to another group. To another group. What is the meaning of it? For example, I am writing here, Ram is the richest man in the village. Remember, we are comparing a person to another group of people, and remember, before superlative degree we always use the, and this is also known as est form. So these are the degrees of adjectives. These were the basics of adjectives. In next class we will discuss about interchange in degrees of comparison. Okay, thank you everyone. God bless you.